Saffron and flaxseed are two ingredients that have been used for centuries in traditional medicine. Here are 5 benefits of these ingredients. 1. Flaxseed is a rich source of alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a type of omega-3 fatty acid that can help reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, and decrease the risk of heart disease. 2. Saffron is rich in plant compounds that act as antioxidants, such as crocin, crocetin, safranal, and kaempferol. 3. Flaxseed is a good source of lignans, which are plant compounds that have antioxidant and estrogen properties. Lignans may help reduce the risk of breast cancer and improve heart health. 4. Saffron may have antioxidant and anticancer benefits. It may also protect the brain from cognitive diseases and migraines. 5. Flaxseed is high in fiber, which can help promote regular bowel movements and improve digestive health. Saffron is also a natural mood booster and may help brighten your mood and treat depressive symptoms.